to do your makeup in 2025, you're going to learn today. You know, it's nice when you know how to do your makeup. Say you're going for an occasion and you want to look nice, you know, just do your makeup. Let me tell you something. There's a convenience that comes with knowing how to do your makeup. You don't have to rush down to a makeup artist or, you know, rush down for that appointment to get your makeup done, and get to save some cash. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen me for the first time, my name is Busola. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate your support, and I hope you do enjoy this video. Today you're going to learn how to do a really simple makeup, and this is beginners friendly, and I'm going to take you through the step on how to achieve the look. First things first, you want to start with a moisturized face. My face is moisturized. I just have my bath, and you know, I use my skincare and all of that. So with your brows, you're going to dump a little powder on it so that, you know, the oil, just to like get rid of the oil. I have sparse brows, so I don't do the laminated brows that people are doing now because my brows are very thin, okay? So that's not for me. Your spoolie and just brush up, okay? So after doing that, you want to get your brown pencil. You want to see that, sharpen that. You draw the skeleton first, okay? All right, since you have your skeleton now, tiny, I don't think you can see that, but so I take this brown now, this particular pencil, and then I use it to fill in my brows. So when I'm filling in, I go in strokes, okay? I do like a stroke, like, see? I go in strokes, just fill in my brows. You don't want to shade. I go with my spoolie again and just brush it to give it that natural look. See that? It's coming together. You see? You might be looking crazy, but trust the process. You're going to clean up. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. This is what I'm going to be using to clean up my brows. I'm going to come and do the same to this side, okay? You can see what we have now. Okay, so this foundation is a Maybelline 360 Mocha. I hope I'm pronouncing that. Okay, so I'm going to be using my foundation to clean the top of my brows. So you squeeze some of that on here, still using the same brush. Like I said, trust the process. I might be looking W now, but we're gonna fix it, okay? I'm going to fix it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and like use foundation on my face. Before that, I forgot my primer. Oh my god. Okay, this is the e.l.f. primer. So once your blending sponge should be damp, so that's what you're going to be. I've used it several times, okay? See the color foundation right on my cheek. Don't go in with a lot, okay? Go in a little bit and then you blend and see where you need more. Avoid putting foundation right here underneath your eyes. Avoid that. You don't want your concealer to crack. Now I'm going to go in, like squeeze my foam like this and then go so. Quickly, you do it quickly and like you watch so you don't, you know, ruin your brows. Because this has wiped up the middle, the brows, right? You go in with your spoolie and just like do like brush to give this like this nice finished look. Can you see that? Okay, that's what we want. You see the way you can't tell where it started? It's just faded out right here. That's what we want. You're going to put concealer on anywhere light shines on. Yes, it will look like a clown, but we're gonna fix that. You see, this is your blending sponge for your concealer. This is for your foundation. So you're going to go ahead now and then blend the side. So this ash line, you can get rid of the ash line. So you go ahead and blend it, okay? The ash lines, you see, when you blend it, the ash lines is gone. You don't want those ash lines. Consistent powder, just to like set this my eye stuff off. It doesn't change the color, it's just to set it. That's how I do mine, okay? This is what works for me. So these are the eyeshadows I'm using. This one, the Juvia Nubian Earth, and the Warrior by Juvia. So I'm using this shade. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll be going with Kufuru. This one. I'll apply it right on my eyelids. So blend that out. Okay. I'm sorry, I had issues with my story. That's why I had to like do this off camera. But this was just a white. This is a white eyeshadow, and then I just use a white glitter on it. I don't want to use a lot. It's very pigmented. This is what we are looking like when we blend. Very well. Okay. Ensure there is no creasing. So everywhere I did highlight, I'm going to go in with this MAC Studio Fix setting powder. It's a loose powder. I'm just going to go ahead with this sponge and like set everywhere. Set it. Then I'm going to go ahead and contour now. So I'm going to be using the bronzer to contour. Like I said, I don't contour my nose because it makes me look like not me, but it's not Busola, so I'm not doing that. Your edge, your forehead. So this is also MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm going to, it's in my shade. I'm just going to go in where my foundation was and just apply powder. You're going to tight line your eyes, put it right here, okay? To line underneath, I'm going to line underneath my eye. So you take your foam and then line underneath your eye. Just follow the shape of your lip. For me, I do not overline my lips. I just follow the shape of my lips because I've tried overlining and it doesn't look nice on my lips. We blend it in. Wet n Wild Never Nude lipstick. If you want to be extra, you can go in with lip gloss to make it look glossy and all that. So this nude, where I did put the nude lipstick, I just put the fortune cookie gloss there, and that is it, baby girl. So the last thing we're going to do is our mascara. Okay, that's it. You're ready to go.